Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what we dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I'm gonna tell you that I love you. Okay, so as always, I'm gonna do a quick look first, and then we'll, do the situation. So this is from Naked, or from Urban Decay is the Wild West. I think I'm gonna use this shade right here, maybe this and this. It is the Pony Up and Text. I'm gonna put this right here. So this is Pony Up, which it might just be just Pony Up also. It's like a grayish color. I'm trying not to go too crazy because I want to do a bold lip. Are you trying to get this stuff to go kind of all over the place? It's like you can just like staple it like this. Staple. And then I'm flipping my brush and just kind of buffing up the edge. So now I'm gonna use 211, and I think I'm going to stand off, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna put this right here. My recording room is so messy, but I'm working on that. What's this? S246. So I'm using Cowboy Rick, and I'm just putting that in my inner corner. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and time to talk about these primers. Well, I'm not really gonna talk about them. I'm just gonna put them on, and at the end of the video, I'll give my thoughts. Okay, so, well, not this. So we're gonna do the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and then the Milk Hydro Grip. You know, they're both, I don't know why they're green, but they're both supposed to be like really tacky. And so we're gonna give her. So on this side, I already moisturized my face, which I always do. So on this side, we're gonna put the e.l.f. Look at my face is like red right here. Power cup right here. So look at it. Concealer tackiness. So put it here. And then on this side, we're gonna put. So from first go, the e.l.f. one is kind of a little bit more liquidy. I don't know, but I feel like this is tackier. Interesting. Like look at, so this is the e.l.f. I don't know, but I feel like the e.l.f. is a little bit tackier, but we'll see. Okay, So I'm gonna use, this is from YSL, and it is the, it's the Beer Look Tint, I think, yeah. I'm like, should I go for heavier foundation? Maybe not. I think that would be good. So it's like brunchy, maybe. No, this is fine, I guess. My only issue with this, I feel like this is a little like yellowy. So I might put something over top just to like blend it out a bit, I guess. I don't know. I feel like it's too. But I feel like everything is applying kind of the same on both primers, even if it's two different primers. I'm actually going out for brunch, which is brave for me to be like, you know, testing out two primers, but you know, sometimes, I mean, it's not too bad, like, you know, it's definitely not like a heavy bit, but put a little bit more here. And we're gonna go in and put a little bit of my HudaBeauty Corretor. I don't know. I'm actually going to brunch, but I'm a little bit stressed about this brunch. And so I feel like I'm all over the place, but it's fine. I'll be alright. I'm gonna use this brush to just blend this out. I should not put this over this, but I'll put it and then just kind of go back in with my foundation brush, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of all over the place today. All over the place. But it's all right. You know, this is the definition of, you know, you see a video and it's like all edited and perfect, right? And then, oh my god, these people have all their stuff, you know, perfect. No. Today is a pretty interesting day for me, so I'm all over the place. Maybe drink some water. I'm obsessed with sparkling water. Obsessed. And I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so I feel like everything is laying pretty spot on, to be honest. But, and that is what we want, you know, to see if we get a good dupe. Because we're trying to save some coins, right? Like, so, you know, today we're doing a little more spot checking than usual because I feel like that foundation was pretty light, but I kind of want something that light because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be sitting outside or inside or then I'm gonna use my Mario, which one is the stock. And this is on a E5 from Morphe. Now let's blend out this concealer. This is banana bread. Oh god, from HudaBeauty. You know, I'm so proud of myself. I have not like cut this off yet. Usually I cut it off because I don't have patience, but I don't know, I feel like they fixed the safety. Or maybe it was, I don't know. I feel like more stuff is coming out of it now. In the past it work. So that's why I should just cut it up. Then I'm gonna use my micro smooth powder from MAC, not MAC, so far. Ah, that's funny. I hate when my lash is like wants to be annoying. So I'm gonna use my fake awake from Tint. Like I need this today. This is, I'm recording in the morning. This is way early for me to record. I was supposed to record this video yesterday and instead I stayed and sleep. Afternoon naps be hitting different. When you're like, oh, they be hitting different. Okay, let's put a little bit of this real quick and then I'm gonna use this MAC Jacobs blush. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the green to kind of match my dress a little bit. Perfect, perfect. And then a little bit of this. Done, son. Okay, now let us go ahead and bronze. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. And this is in shade what? 3. We're gonna use this. This is from Sephora. What shade is this? It is over the top colorful blush. That's it. Maybe that's too much. And then I'm gonna use my MAC X Black Panther highlighter. This is what? From Final Treat, we'll use that because I don't know what's going on with this. This is from Buxom and it is the Real Red lip liner. And then for my lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use this from Gwen Stefani Me You Yours Space Buns. Perfect. So now let's talk about this power grips real quick. So the first one we're gonna talk about is from Male Cosmetics, and this one is the Hydro Grip Primer. It is there's 3 different sizes, but the one I have is the full size, which is $38, and just a little grips. 93% set went on easy and all that stuff. That's like, you know, the people they surveyed. It's vegan free, it's natural, clean, cruelty free, paraben free, silicone free, and then it says it will let your makeup last up to 12 hours. I've actually used that milk primer before and I really like it. It really works very well. And so like I've used the e.l.f. one as well, so you know, I think I'm like a good person to say like, hey, it is a dupe. Now let's move on to the e.l.f. one. It's Power Grip Primer, same, you know, kind of description. And they say a gel based hydrating face primer that smooths the skin while prepping your skin for makeup. And it is $10. Now, let me give my final opinion on these like grip. So the e.l.f. one I think was a little bit kind of more watery compared to the Hydro Grip from Milk. The tackiness, I actually think the e.l.f. one was a little bit just tints more like tacky than the Milk one. Yeah, final thoughts. Is this a dupe? Yes, 100%. Like, I don't understand, like, how can you make, you know, maybe because it's e.l.f. on like paraben free and all this stuff, like, you know, maybe that's where, you know, the difference comes in. Like, no, it's vegan free and it's cruelty free, but it's not paraben free and stuff like that. So maybe that's where you pay the extra, you know, $38 times, you know, $10. That's $28 difference. Like, it's a huge price difference. $10 and you can get the same effect. I 100% think it's a dupe. Like, it is a dupe. You could just get the e.l.f. one, $10 and save your coin. So yeah, so that's it guys for this dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.